Okay, I'm standing here with my friend Kifu, and although this is not his project, we're going to talk through some of the materials. We're at the location where the tank pads are going to be. Obviously, we're at a higher elevation than we were at the borehole, and you can see the mountains off in the distance. The reason why the tanks are usually at the top of hills instead of at the bottom is because we can use the potential energy of the water stored in the tanks to provide 24-hour access to safe water. All right, Kifu, you would tell me what this pile is right here?
Okay, thank you. This aggregates, it's using for um, probably on facing during what we are doing facing around there. If you have seen that there's a tank pad and the coordinator where we are going to treat the water.
Yeah.
Then on side we have a facing. So this congregates we are going to put surrounding the that area so that it should have no any mud inside the the face on inside the tank pads there. Like that. So that's the aim. And so for those three portion, we have on the side solar rack. We're also going to take here going down where the solar and the pump is.
I see.
And also the time when I was doing constructing the tank pad, we have some almost 200 or 300 pad where you use concrete, starting from the down to the tank pad. Then on top also we use the layer of concrete.
I see.
So that is the aim of these materials here. And also here this one is for mainly on top sides. We have soccer pit. So we put this board so that the water should not flash everywhere, but it should go inside the soccer pit. So
I see.
that is.
All right. So the community will often donate resources.
Yeah.
All right.
So as you can see, we are still need this cornerstone because the time we are going to put the post mods is first we dig and put the concrete inside so that those post mods should not seal down, should be at the same level without so that's why those materials we are still underworked.
Yeah. So your fence posts are going to go here? These are your fence posts?
Yes.
Okay. Wonderful. And when you set them, they're all going to be in a line.
In line.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the same level.
Same level.
Yeah.
So if you are not putting the concrete first down, maybe that because it's heavy, they can sink. So you should not try the level. So that's why first we put the concrete with the same level. If there's maybe there's a need to balance this way.
So there's already concrete in the hole.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. All right, thank you for that. What do we have here? Looks like some different sized.
Yeah, different
drains.
size. This one, I think they have they have, but because of maybe the builder wants the good one, they take they're doing the like shaving to have a good quality of sand rather than
This is the sifted sand.
yes, yes.
Yeah, okay. Wonderful. And over here we have the trenching, and this is our transmission line from the wellbore.
Yeah, from the borehole. Yeah, the, the, I think we have two. Because one is for distribution and one for supply, because there we have some villages there which we need to get water.
I
So
see.
some we are going to they are coming back and
Yeah.
sure.
So you're laying parallel lines.
Yeah.
Wonderful. And I see a smaller
Small one.
tubing over here.
I believe this one is for a switch to control if the tank is full. Then you should also send the message there that you know we are full here.
Yes.
Stop, please.
That's
So
wonderful.
that is the cable for a switch.
Well, that's great that you are using conduit for the float switch.
Yeah.
How far is it from here to the borehole?
Because we are almost here, almost 600 or 800 meters.
Okay.
Yeah.
So very close.
Sure.
It's not
Because
more.
we have the graveyard there, so
Mm-hmm.
we are at some point there.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay. So it's less than 800 meters.
Meters. Yeah.
Yeah. And the cutoff, I think, is around 1 kilometer for the effectiveness. All right. And so we have the treatment house here.
House, yeah.
All right. Looks very well ventilated.
I think as you can see there where we are at the electoral house, we are still not finishing like here. I've seen it. There's this, the builder still working on it. So here at least they are about to finish. Yeah.
Okay. Is this dry? Can I walk on this?
Yeah. No.
Okay.
But unfortunately we don't have a key.
Well, that's okay.
Yeah.
It is a bit dark in there, but it has a lot of ventilation.
Yeah.
And the door is offset off the bottom so that the chlorine can come out the bottom and not build up inside, which is very important. I also want to praise just the roof. You have a solid roof here, and it looks very strong. Of course, we're not up there. But tell me, these are the tank pads here?
Yes. Yeah. We have 3 tank pads here. 1, 2, and 3. So I think according to design here, or according to the population, that's why they make it to have 3 tanks here. Sure.
And so the tanks will be set on top.
Yeah. And the connection you'll be moving here on the ground. That we have only seeing the pipe down, and we are going up, but everything will be done on the ground. Sure.
Okay. And then this larger rock here, this is the one that is used for the foundations of the tank pads?
Yes. This one also, thank you for remembering. This is also the time building this one. Before we use also the concrete throughout the. For example, I can draw it like this one. This is a tank pad. Then for foundation, we dig and you put the concrete. Then after that is we have also the boxes like this one.
Yes.
Then this one now is where we put inside the.
I see.
Yeah.
That's very helpful.
Sure.
Thank you for the illustration.
Thank you.
That's great, Kifo.
Yeah.
All right.
So as we have done on concrete on down, also this layer is so not only the blocks, also like this one or 200 we have the concrete.
I see. Yeah.
So that you can shake, and inside there's also the.
So you have a slab of concrete on top.
Yes, and even the white over there. Yeah.
Do you use rebar in that slab? Is there rebar in the slab?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. We
Wonderful.
have it.
Well, it seems like these are some pretty strong boxes. And
For
this over here, that is the sifter for the sand.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this sand and gravel is pulled from a river.
River, yes.
Or where do you get it?
From the river.
Nearby.
Yeah.
Okay.
But of course nearby. But as I've said earlier, that the community we are fair maybe to carry them. Then you are also asking us to help for carrying them to be here on site.
Sure. Okay. Great. Kifu, thank you so much for these insights.